Welcome. In this video I will show you a quick solution to Wi-Fi 7 connection drops on Motorola Signature smartphone. To stop your Wi-Fi network from constantly dropping, we just have to go to settings on this device, then open network and internet menu. In here, go to Wi-Fi, then tap the gear icon next to your Wi-Fi, and then select privacy and switch use randomized MAC to use device MAC, and this way you will prevent your Wi-Fi network from constantly dropping. You can also switch the Wi-Fi off and then on again to quickly reset your networks. You have to enable and disable airplane mode in the quick settings menu. Then try to start using your Wi-Fi again and see if this helps you. And in case it doesn't help you, then try restarting both your smartphone and your router. By the way, check if your Wi-Fi router can be reached by your other devices that have internet access, because if not, then it's not your device's issue at all. And you should check your Wi-Fi or call your internet service provider. And if nothing that I mentioned in this video helped you, then we can still reset network settings. To do this, we're gonna have to find system menu in settings. So let's find it right here. Then go to reset options and then select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, tap reset, and then reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Go to network and internet, select Wi-Fi, and then select the Wi-Fi that you've been connected to and re-enter the password to it. Tap connect and wait until you are reconnected. And right now the issue should be resolved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.